Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 4, Day 1. Listen as I say a word, thin. The beginning sound in thin is th. Say the sound with me. Th. Listen as I say a word, wash. The ending sound in wash is sh. Say the sound with me, sh. I'm going to say a word and I'd like you to tell me the beginning sound. Thump. Shoe, sh, them, thick, ship, sh, shell, sh. Now this time you're going to listen for the last sound. Fish, sh, path, ring, teeth, cash, sh, wing, Okay, so let's look at some review words. Remember, A and K says ink. So 3, 2, 1, bank. 3, 2, 1, band. 3, 2, 1, bend. 3, 2, 1, bent. 3, 2, 1, best. 3, 2, 1, nest. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, west. 3, 2, 1, clink. 3, 2, 1, clamp. Clink, clink. Okay, so this is called a digraph. A digraph is different than a blend because we put two sounds together and it makes a new sound. And this actually has two sounds. So the way I teach students, I go T-H, T-H, this thumb, so it can either say or th, as in thank or them. Okay? So this next digraph is S-H, S-H, sh, sh, sh. Shiny shoes, sh, sh, sh. N-G, N-G, Sing a song, sing, sing. Okay, so even though it's an NG, we don't say sing, we say ng. Okay, so, I think they were supposed to write that. So let's do this really quickly. Okay, T-H, T-H, S-H, S-H, sh, sh, sh. And N-G, N-G, Okay, here we go, let's blend. In, what's that word? Thin. S. This says ing. What's the word? Sing. Math. Put it together. Math. Let's do next one. W-ish. Put it together. Wish. Okay, let's look at some of these blends and digraphs and vowel sounds. 3, 2, 1, or th. 3, 2, 1, I. 3, 2, 1, sh. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, ah. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, eh. 3, 2, 1, or th. 3, 2, 1, ink. 3, 2, 1, sk. 3, 2, 1, ing. 3, 2, 1, sh. Okay, let's read some words together. Here we go. Shop. What's the word? Shop. W-ish. What's the word? Wish. And what's the word? Then. At. What's the word? That. Okay, I'm going to let you take a turn, then I'll take a turn. Okay, go ahead. Blend. Word. Hush. Together. Crash. Word. Crash. Your turn. Word sing. So ing says ing, ing. Okay, together. S-ang. Word sang. Okay, here's the next one. Your turn. So that's ang. 3. Word bang. Together. Long. Word long. Your turn. Word this. Together. Word thump. Okay, this time I'd like you to do it in your head. 3, 2, 1. Hip. 3, 2, 1. Ship. 3, 2, 1. Hot. 3, 2, 1. Shot. Did you notice how we added an S and that changed it to a digraph? Shh. Okay, let's do some more. 3, 2, 1. Mat. You're doing these in your head if you're able to. If not, you can do them out loud. 3, 2, 1. Math. 3, 2, 1. Desks. 3, 2, 1. Think. And remember, ink says ink. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Bring. 3, 2, 1. Grand. 3, 2, 1. Clang. Okay, nice job. Okay, this is a sentence. Let's read this together. Thank you for handing that shell to me. Okay, let's read it fluently. Thank you for handing that shell to me. Do we have a capital? Yes. Do we have finger space? Yes. Is it legible? Yes. Spelling? Yes. And end mark? I'll give you 3 seconds to tell me which end mark. 3, 2, 1. Exclamation mark! I'm excited! Thank you for handing that shell to me. Okay, let's look at our next sentence. Here we go. Beth thinks she spots a fish in the pond. Let's do it together fluently. Beth thinks she spots a fish in the pond. Do I have my capital? Yes. Finger space? Yes. Legible? Yes. Spelling? Yes. And end mark? 3, 2, 1. Just a period today. Okay, let's look at one more sentence. He rushed to the ship to bring his bag. Let's read it fluently. He rushed to the ship to bring his bag. Capital? Yes. Finger space? Yes. Legible? Yes. Spelling? Yes. End mark? Yes. What's my end mark? 3, 2, 1. A period. I'm just telling you something. Okay, these are our high frequency words for the week. This is the word all. Read the word with me. All. The word all is spelled A-L-L. Spell the word with me. A-L-L. Let's write it in the air. A-L-L. I see all the kids in the class. This is the word call. Read the word with me. Call. The word call is spelled C-A-L-L. Spell the word with me. C-A-L-L. Let's write it in the air. C-A-L-L. I think I will call Seth. Now both of these, the one last time, all and call have an A-L. The A-L says ah. It's when we add the extra L that it says all. This is the word day. Read the word with me. Day. The word day is spelled D-A-Y. Read the word with me. D-A-Y. Let's write it in the air. D-A-Y. I spent the day at the shop. This is the word her. Read the word with me. Her. The word her is spelled H-E-R. Read the word with me. H-E-R. Let's write it in the air. H-E-R. Beth lost her big bag. This is the word want. Read the word with me. Want. The word want is spelled W-A-N-T. Spell the word with me. W-A-N-T. Let's write it in the air. W-A-N-T. Do you want to sing a song with me? Okay, here is our story. Ben, Deb, Lynn. And it's a list. See my commas? Ben, Deb, Lynn. Here's some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Little. 3, 2, 1. Is. 3, 2, 1. The. 3, 2, 1. With. Okay, I'm going to let you go first. Then I'll go right here. And then we'll do it together. Ready? You go first. Together. Ben, Deb, Lynn. Your turn first. Together. Ben did a lot. Ben let Cam hop in it. So there's Cam hopping. Okay, here's the next one. Your turn. Together. Little Tom is a pet. Dad let Tom sit. Okay, next one. Your turn. Together. Deb hit with the bat. Deb ran a lap. Okay, here we go. Your turn. Together. Ben had a red bib. Ben bit the hot cob. Okay, your turn. Together. Lynn bit the hot rib. It is not bad, Lynn. Okay, so today we're learning about a common noun and a proper noun. A common noun names a person, place, or thing. We've learned about this. And it begins with a lowercase letter. Names of particular people, pets, places, and things are called proper nouns. A proper noun begins with a capital. So if this is my sentence, Seth has a drum, well, a noun is a person, place, or thing. So who's my person? Seth. Seth is a name. So that would be called a proper noun. Drum is a thing, but it's not the name. So it has lowercase. Okay, let's look at another one. Miss Gum is at West School. Now this one, a noun is a person. So Miss Gum is a name. Do you see how I have two capitals? Person, place is West School, and there's capitals because that's the name of the school. That's a proper noun. Okay, last one for this part. My dog, Bing, runs fast. A noun is a person, place, or thing. So who's my person? We don't have one. Place, don't have one. Thing. So my thing is we have a dog, and a dog could be any dog. So no capital, that's a common noun. But Bing is a name, and it's proper. Proper means it has a capital. Okay, last two. We swim in glass pond. Okay, so we're looking for the proper noun. A clue of a proper noun is that it has capitals. We swim in glass pond. Person? Not really. Place? Yes. Glass pond is a place. That's why it's a capital. Okay, last part. Grant, Beth, and Russ snack on nuts. Okay, a noun is a person, place, or thing. We have 3 people, and they all have a name. If they have their name, it's a proper noun. Grant is proper, Beth is proper, and Russ is proper. And then person, place, no place, thing. Snack is a thing, and nuts are a thing, but they're not a name. I didn't say I have corn nuts, which is a type of treat, or I'm trying to think of another snack, like bubble gum. So I didn't say the name, so it's lowercase, and it's just a common noun. Okay, everyone, I'll talk to you later. Bye.